My name is Mukhtar Pirbai Lakhani. My age is 66 and I am from Nashik, and I am proud of it that my surgical was done on 2nd of June, and it was very nice. Excellent work was there by Dr. Umesh Kulkarni and Amay Kulkarni. I am very proud of it. Before operation, I had so much problem that I can't walk it. But now I can fold it. Today's position is this. And I am very proud of it that my surgical was done very nice. I have danced, I have played rasalas, dandiya very well. I had no problem. And from the second day, I was working very fine. That's also without walker. After 1 month, I had a dance and rasala, very nice. Thank you, doctor, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.